For anyone living in New Delhi, tackling air pollution is an everyday affair. Delhi is consistently ranked as one of the most polluted cities of the world. Everyone living in Delhi experiences it on a daily basis, but very few realize the extent of permanent damage which it causes. It is estimated that Delhi's polluted air will reduce the life expectancy of an average person by about 3 years. Children, old age people, and those already suffering from respiratory ailments will be worst affected. Out of all the sources of air pollution in Delhi, vehicular emissions are the most dangerous, as these emissions are released in a very close proximity to the people. If you are traveling in open in Delhi, it's almost impossible for you to escape intake of these poisonous vehicular emissions. So, how do we solve this problem? How do we make Delhi safer for everyone? What should be the role of citizens, private sector, and policymakers? Let's start with the possible role of policymakers. As we have learned in this MOOC, providing subsidized cleaner options in Delhi may not be enough. Policy measures have to be taken to put a carbon tax to discourage the excessive use of cars in the city. Progressive taxation on purchase of vehicles can be put to discourage purchase of multiple vehicles by the same individual or household. At the same time, public transport infrastructure have to be made convenient, affordable, and safer. Policymakers have to realize that they will have to make it easier for the public to leave their cars at home and start using public transport. This, for example, may mean more investment in building strong railway networks, more feeder services to metro stations, professionally managed fleet of cleaner, comfortable buses, and so on. Private sector can also contribute by encouraging use of public transport by its employees. Special incentives can be offered in form of passes through which private sector can pay for use of vehicular transport by their employees. Role of mass media and social media can also not be ignored. They play a vital role in raising the awareness level of common citizens about the hazards of vehicular pollution and also motivate them for adopting low emission options. But the greatest and the most important role has to be played by us, ordinary citizens of the city. We have to reduce our carbon footprint if we want to live a happy, healthy life and pass on a cleaner city to our next generation. It will be the choices we make which will decide the fate of the city. So, this will be my message to the residents of Delhi and other metropolitan areas of the world. Let's make an effort to reduce the use of personal vehicles wherever we can and adopt cleaner public transport. Let's make our cities livable again. Thank you.